So I was finally able to get my hands on an all new 44mm Apple Watch, as it's been a huge struggle trying to get my hands on one. The same thing goes with the iPhone. So this is not the one that I originally wanted to pick up, but this one's gonna have to work for now. So as always, we do have that fancy all white Apple packaging with something a little bit different, at least for me. I know personally for me, I've never seen this. You do have some Apple Watches designed around the package, which I admit, think it looks pretty cool. Here we have the Sport Band, which is the all black sports band. Nothing too fancy. You also have the charging cable and your power brick. And here we have the 44mm Apple Watch, which according to Apple, it's about a 30% larger display. And upon looking at the watch, you could kind of see the difference in size. You can also make out those curved corners that match the case. Something that I do want to mention is that as soon as you set the watch up, you're going to notice that display looks real clear and bright. You really do get a little bit more detail. As far as the digital crown goes, you're also going to definitely notice that click and feel as you scroll up and down. I also noticed the S4 chip, which you're going to really notice things a lot more snappier. Loudness has also increased compared to the last gen, which is the huge plus. Can I please get the NFL scores, please?
Here are the results from the NFL for Week 3.
Can I get the NFL scores for Week 2?
Here are the results from the NFL for Week 2.
And if we look at the inside, you're going to see that things look just a little bit different. Here you have a heart sensor, which you can use paired with the ECG app to quickly generate a ECG and share with your doctor. Nonetheless, awesome, noticeable, huge improvements over the last gen. Shoot me your thoughts down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.